Good morning. It's a Monday, beautiful Monday. The robot has given us an opportunity for Nasdaq. It says sell Nasdaq, which I just agree there. You go ahead and click yes. This is trading live. You click yes. There is a lot that I can say about the robot right now, but then all that I need to show you is the money. Of course, you know me week by week. I show you the money. I show you the money. That's it. Now, I want to show you exactly what happens with the robot when there is an open trade, when the robot has spotted a trade. Look at this. This is Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq. As you can see, this is Nasdaq, NAS 100, NAS Killer Robot 2021 version. As you can see, it gave us signals here, and we're already in profit. As you can see, we're already in profit. But nevertheless, how do you know the robot has taken a trade? It writes trade mode here. It writes trade mode. It has taken a trade, so you can see here it says trade mode. That's it, guys. That's how you know the robot has seen a trade. It has opened a trade. As you can see, we're in profit. It's going up and down, but nevertheless, we wait patiently for it to give us deep profit. In order for you to understand what is it that you have to do here, you need to understand something. Let me just open my my group there. As you can see, Forex Champions VVIP. For you to join the group, you need to pay. As you know, the special has ended. You need to pay 750 rands, which is $50 for international clients. As you can see, don't focus on the money. Don't focus on the money. These are my students making money here. So, but other than that, you need to join 750 rands to join the group for 3 months. $50 for you for international clients to join the group for 3 months. But then, in order for you to get the robot, you need to pay 1,000 rands. 1,000 rands, which is only $75 US. $75 US. So for you to get both packages, for you to get both to be in the group and also to get the robot, you need to pay $100 US, which is 1,350 rands. That's about it, guys. There is nothing much here that I can say. I only wanted to show you the profits, but I will keep on following the profits throughout the day. I want to see how much I can make here. So I will wait for now, and you guys will be updated. Cheers. Great morning, everybody. So it's a great Monday, and we already making good money. We're watching Netflix, then meanwhile we're making good money. As you can see, the robot has given us an opportunity there, and I just want to zoom in the profits so that you can actually see. I just want to zoom in the profits so you guys can actually see how much we're making there. We're making 4,000 rands. We're making 4,000 rands. Running. We're making 4,000 rand running. So yeah, that's about it. There is nothing more here. You just wait and let the market and the robot do their work. There's nothing more that you need to do. Let the robot do the work. Yeah, as you can see, it's actually going up and down. So yeah, that's about it. We happy. 2,000 rands floating, 3,000, 4,000 is floating.